Hey guys, so I'm gonna have to probably talk a little bit loud because of that. But today we're going to be doing some knife grinding stuff and a hammer restoration stuff majiggy. So first, I just got done grinding a railroad spike knife. So now we're gonna restore. Pretty sure this one is the one that I'm gonna focus on the most because this is kind of mushroomed out. This is really small. This is mushroomed out, so I'm gonna restore this hammer and get it back to working shape, because this is like, these two are like perfect weight for me to blacksmith with. So, oh, excuse me. Yeah, that's what we're doing today. So, got a whole bunch of tools right there. So, first, I think what we're gonna try is on a drill a little like flap that has sandpaper on it, just to get the ball rolling. Or no, I'm gonna use a wire brush first. So yeah. So right now, I'm going to put this on, and we are going to start just trying to get some rust off of this. So yeah. Okay, so I'm just gonna YOLO this. Ow! Fart! Okay guys, so I'm gonna go up to the... 1 second. Oh, dang it! Ow! Did you see that? I was like, shit. Okay, I'm gonna go put that in a vise up in my shop, and I'm gonna bring you guys with me. But it does seem like it's doing a lot. I think we don't even have to touch the belt sander, so that'll be good. Well, we will to like face the hammer, but I mean like not the body stuff. Well guys, that's Justin for you. I just freaking wire brushed my finger. Fart! Guys, I need to stop hurting myself and just get on with this project. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put this in here. I'm going to work this side, so put it in like that. Okay, that's about good, and move you guys in. I'm going to actually bring you guys over my shoulders here. I'm going to put you one up. 1 second. Hey guys, so that's what we're doing. Oh, wrong way. That is pretty shiny right there. If you see that, I don't know how well it's showing up on camera, but I got it. Like, I'm after. Whoa! Did you hear that? Yo, that was like crazy. It's like I'm man. So yeah, we're gonna keep doing that. So yeah, it is getting pretty shiny. Just gonna keep setting you up. Hey guys, so we are going to turn this on, and I'm going to work on this. I'm going to face it up. Give him a brand new face, because his face is ugly. Guys, whenever I bought this hammer, it had a handle on it, okay? So I could tell this hammer has gone through abuse, but it was $2. So what I just found is some cracking, like major cracking along this. So whenever I use that, I'll probably have to worry about chips coming off of it. But if I go down enough, it might take them out. Just saying, there's a bunch of cracks on this. And this coming in, Justin has a news channel. Okay, hello people. My name is Justin Oliver, and I have a news channel thing. This isn't really the news, but so this whole thing with like, fight me KSI, come at me bro KSI. Logan Paul and Jake Paul are fighting KSI or something. I don't even know. But you know what? If KSI is up for me fighting him, you KSI come at me. See, I'm gonna show you some of my skills. See, he comes at me, I'm just really like, no one can get to me if I do this. See, there ain't no getting past that, dude. Yeah, I'm a blue belt. And I'm also a trained bow staffer.
In the world today, you expect to have options, whether it's for lunch or a movie. You have options for insurance
and trained curler.
Purchases. There are countless options. And with eyeglass purchases, you have incredible options
like,
from designer
I'm the guy that goes.
fad. The popular trend now is an option for many people, and that is the transition.
See, and then I also be like,
it has many options as well. Dr. Stephen Hinterberger helps his patients understand that the transition lenses are lenses that adapt and are right.
Yeah, they want me for my bow staffing skills and my nunchucking skills, so.
With reduced visibility. The lenses darken for sharper.
Don't even get me started on my unicycling skills. Just wanted to take that small intermission to tell you about me fighting KSI. So, yeah.
That sounds like an option you don't want to pass up.
That was the stupidest thing I've ever done. Well, guys, here's a good song. Dr. Feelgood. This is a good song. This is the Dr. Feelgood, guys. So here's what it looks like. Starting to look pretty good, you guys. Sorry, the freaking wind. Starting to look pretty good, you guys. Yeah. So now, the face, which is a little bit scary for me, but we're gonna do it, guys. So yeah, watch this. That was so stupid. What am I doing? I'm getting sidetracked. Like, everything, like, sidetracks me from anything. So, it's like, it looks... Okay, I'm gonna do it. Hey guys, so I had to come up here because the wind was... So, this is it finished, you guys. Before it was all like rusty and looked nasty, but now look at that and that. But those cracks concern me. Right in there. So that's really the only thing that I could complain about besides that. But yeah, face looks nice. Looks like brushed steel, looks pretty cool. That looks nice. Anyways guys, hope you enjoyed. This was my first like hammer restoring video, so there's gonna be more in the future, I'm pretty sure. And like axe restoration videos, because those are pretty cool. I like those. So yeah, everyone down, we just gotta get a handle on this puppy, and we'll be in business, and you'll probably see me using this. So anyways guys, hope you enjoyed. If you like these videos, hit the like button and subscribe for more. Anyways guys, hope you enjoyed. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Don't do drugs, stay in school.